Hello, welcome to OSN Learning. Today we will be understanding the concepts of data science. Let us explore what do you mean by data science. Data science is a multidisciplinary field that uses scientific methods, algorithms and systems to extract knowledge and insights from the data. It combines principles from statistics, computer science, and definitely you require some domain knowledge in the data that you want to analyze. In simple terms, you can understand that we are digging into the data to analyze some useful patterns which can be used for predictive analysis. To make it more understandable, let us take a very popular example like Netflix. Netflix is using its customers' data, analyzing this data, and through the analysis, it is discovering the taste of its customers. For example, if there is a user who is interested in melody drama, Netflix will be recommending him all the associated shows that involves melody drama. It is very fruitful for customer retention. When the customer is receiving all the recommendation of his choice, he gets stick to Netflix and there is no possibility of customer churn. Isn't it? It is very interesting. Now, let us discuss what are the key concepts in data science. The key concepts revolves around a very interesting technique, that is, we are solely not going to study one domain. It is a collection of multiple disciplines, starting from statistics, then moving on to machine learning, and definitely we should know some of the concepts in computer science. It's very easy to learn data science, and really we need some skills in Python programming to execute all these concepts in data science. Data science is helping business like healthcare, finance and many other organizations to take data driven decisions. Now, how do we do data science? There are mainly three processes that we execute in data science. Number one, collection of the data, cleaning of the data, and then preparation of a predictive model that helps us to do predictions in the future. If we say in technical terms, there are these many key phases. There will be a problem definition, then we will be collecting the data, we will be analyzing the data. After analysis, we will models, and then the result from the models is communicated. If we go back to the Netflix example, you can understand that the data is collected from all the Netflix customers. Then this data is analyzed for user preferences. Then we build a model out of the given genre which will be liked by a particular customer, and then based on the results of the model, a particular genre is recommended for that given user. So it is not a one-time process. The more the data is coming, we have to do or perform this cycle many times. Now, presumably, there are many tools which are used in data analysis and building of a model. The first choice of programming in data science is definitely Python. Python provides many associated libraries that support data science. Also, R is also a statistical programming language which is also used in many companies as the data science programming language. But due to the popularity of Python, all the organizations are moving towards Python. Third is SQL. SQL helps us to dig into the data and analyze the data and extract the data from different sources at a combined place. So definitely some SQL programming skills are also required. And there comes the cloud structure, a structure where you can store the data and retrieve the data, because data is getting populated in the form of terabytes. So when there is huge amount of data, we have to locate the data on clouds, and a learning into that system, popularly known as the Hadoop system, is a must to study. So as discussed, there are main four tools that you need to study: Python, R, SQL and Hadoop framework. Now we will go through a small example in data science, that is, how does data science help retail companies to get better sales perspective. In sales, forecasting of a particular product in terms of production is of prime importance. If the industry gets to know that what will be the demand of a particular product in future, they can deploy resources for the production of that given product. In future, if they know that the demand of a product is going to increase, they can put their resources to increase the production of that given product, so that their energy is not wasted on multiple product production. So it is just like we are digging into the future. We already know what we have to prepare in the future. Data science plays a significant role in retail in estimating the sales, and which is popularly known as sales forecasting. Another example, which may be a non-profit example, is in medical discovery. Now, the unstructured data, that is your images data, can also be analyzed through data science for the prediction of diseases. Knowing the previous patterns of a disease, we can find out and we can predict whether a human will develop a certain disease or not, which is also termed as a non-profit application of data science. Isn't it? It is beautiful that we can in advance predict whether a person will be developing a certain disease or not, so that relevant measures can be taken to improve the health of the patient. There are others discoveries also that can be done through data science, like maybe whether a medicine or a particular dose of medicine will work for a given patient or not. Now, what is the impact of data science? As discussed, definitely data science has its application in almost all the given industries. So, be it be healthcare, finance, marketing, the impact of data science is huge. And that is why it is one of the most upcoming technology of tomorrow. In future, we are seeing a huge increase in the job segments related to data science. Data science is now a must field whether you belong to a computer science background or not. So learning data science is a must for everyone. So that was data science from us. Wish you all good luck in your preparation of data science. See you.